Mabuhay mga Rapapips! Hi everyone! We are here, I am here at Bongao Eco Farm, Clarin, Bohol. As you can see guys, we are facing in Cebu province. So, it's already 5 AM. Madilim pa rin dito guys. Still, kita natin sa lights ng camera natin. So, hindi pa lumalabas yung sinag ng araw. So, we have here the swimming pool. We are going to swim early today. So, thank you so much for the ICT4 Bohol, Division of Bohol, for hosting this L&D, Learning and Development Conference in team building also of the ICT4 Bohol. Also SysDev System Department, SysDev, EduTech, Media Pro, and Infrastructure. So guys, tayo na po ang mga clips ng aming mga happenings yesterday. Today is November 27. Program that we have is November 26. So let's go.